well.
Nika. Yeah, boo boo.
Wow.
Thank you. La 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 la. That's just powder.
Are you excited, Dick?
What are you doing? Quite heavy this. Quite heavy. Happy booby.
Are you excited?
Because this girl has hair sticking out of her hair. I think I will die! Stop it! Stop! Chill! Fish! Holy macaroni! Kenny was so the bird! Where am I? Can I also fish something? Oh! No, this guy just snapped it! He just snapped it! This guy is angry! This guy has anger! Papi, I think you're stuck in the sand. Look at the sand. Do you know how much feet is this? I'll try.
Like this.
Now? But this is bending, Nika. When you feel something like hard, you just go away. What? I'm gonna use this rod. Oh! I'm right-handed. I'm left-handed. I'm right-handed. Right-handed is better.
Open like this. All the way to the bottom.
I think you'll just hook on something.
Let's touch the bottom, right? Reel 2 times. 2 times. Opposite. Yeah. Stop. Slowly, okay?
But where are the jellyfish? But where we can see the jellyfish?
You want to see the jellyfish?
Yeah.
Okay, if it come, I will show you.
Nothing. To my eye? No.
Now we're going near this thing. Remember we catch there the barracuda last time?
There.
Yeah, there.
Jeez. What is this? Wait.
Good job.
I got a big fish! What? The fish! Oh, I have too much aura! I don't know why, but I have too much aura, right, Papa? What's aura? Aura means luck. It was so big, it just snapped into pieces. No sign of good fish. I feel something small. You see? Something is pulling!
Here we go again.
Oh, it's rock. I feel something! Another one! Help! You see? Not fake! No, it's not fake.
Rock, it's rock.
How is that rock? See if I'm pulling? Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish.
Here is full of rock.
That's too much. The rod. Bro, that's too powerful. That fish was all the way to the bottom. Don't go all the way to the bottom. If I get a small fish, I'll just. What? They can go up and down, up and down. They can like this. They can. If I catch a fish, we're a team, okay? We're a team, okay? No challenge. Is there sharks here in the spot? If I get a shark, this rod is dead. Do you feel something hard? Don't go out the boat. What will happen if I catch a big fish?
That fish like dancing.
So I know, so the more rocky, the more houses, the more fish. So that's how I caught this humongous fish would cut the line? Would cut the fish?
And you
I think they'll think about
fix
it
it
with
like near the with all the
That's why it's
birds.
Oh, that fish was so powerful. It cut his body, right? It cut his body. Holy crap!
Reel. Don't stop, reel. Like this way.
Nika,
Reel like this, yeah.
I got a fish.
Okay, reel.
Ah! That was so big. Oh! Wow! Holy moly! I don't want to look.
Stop. Begin on his tail.
There's two, bro. I got two.
Come. Hold like this.
No, gosh. That's real. Yes! Can I hold this? There's a tuna. Is this a tuna? Oh, this is so soft. What is this? Can I hold this? Oh.
I want to measure it.
How?
I want to measure it.
Later, Nika, still.
When it dies. Let's take a penguin.
No,
Oh, please. My fish. Oh!
No, one more.
Woo! Yeah!
What's it here?
Put it here. Ah!
I just want to
Ooh. Can I'll open it. But can you hold this?
Yes, keep reeling. Wait. Reel now. Keep fast. Hold on. Wow! Yeah.
That was bigger than ours.
Reel now.
That's so sharp. What is this? The same fish, queen fish. It's a queen fish, but smaller. Two queen fish in a row, bro.
That's another fish.
Another queen fish.
Big fish, this one. Yeah, catch it. There's fish.
Help somebody. Already got a fish. What type of fish is that? Wait, that's a tuna. It's not tuna.
What?
It's not a tuna. What type of fish is that?
This one is very big, queen. Very big.
Queen?
Yeah, take the net.
Take a net. This is so powerful.
Keep reeling. Yeah.
Yeah! Not a queen fish. That's not a queen fish. Pop. Is this a tuna? Oh no. Just don't tell me this is a queen fish. Is this a queen fish again? Open the cabin.
Watch out, sir. Watch out. Yeah. But it's size.
Chill, buddy.
Don't close. We have another fish.
3. Multiplication. I see it. It's there. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Ooh, that's big. Ollie, that's so big. Net! Net! We need the net! We need a net! Nick, don't push me. I'm not pushing you.
Way bigger.
That's another queenfish. How many queenfish did we got? We got like 1 million queenfishes. If I catch one more. No, how to count how many we have? Are we going to another spot? Don't need. I wanna catch crabs.
Wow! Come from here where you want to go. Okay, let's go to the
Need
spot.
help. I want to do also. Put this in the net. In the tank. Put this in the tank. Put this in the tank. Put in the tank. Put in the tank. Nika, put it down. Put it down. Dad, the fish is dying. It's good. Oh, that's a lot of fish. Nika, I'll drop. Nika, I'll drop.
So your son is happy that you got a lot of fish.
Like and subscribe.